Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated or lying position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly, releasing all the tension from your body. Feel yourself sinking into the surface beneath you. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, visualize a warm, radiant light above your head. This light symbolizes love, fertility, and the energy of creation. With every inhale, imagine this light descending into your body, filling you with warmth and positivity. Now, let this light flow towards your belly, illuminating it with a gentle glow. Feel this area warm and energized, filled with potential and life. With every breath, this light grows brighter, symbolizing the nurturing environment within you. As you bask in this warm light, begin to repeat the following affirmations to yourself, either silently or out loud. With each affirmation, believe and feel its truth. My body is a sanctuary, ready to welcome new life. Every cell in my body is healthy, strong, and ready for pregnancy. I trust my body's natural wisdom and ability to conceive. I am surrounded by love and positivity, which nourish me and my future child. With each breath, I feel more connected to the life force within me. I am patient. I am peaceful. I am prepared for the journey ahead. My mind, body, and spirit are in perfect harmony, creating the ideal environment for fertility. I welcome the energy of creation to flow freely and abundantly through me. I am grateful for the journey and open to the miracles of life. Continue to breathe deeply, allowing these affirmations to sink deeper into your consciousness. Feel the warm light in your belly, symbolizing the love and potential within you. Take a moment to send gratitude to your body for its strength and ability. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently awakening your body. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying with you the peace and positivity from this meditation. Remember that you are loved, You are prepared, and your miracle is coming. Hold on to this feeling of calm and assurance as you move through your day.